Hello.
Hello,
Yes, how are you today?
I am great.
Well, that's good to know. And your name is Vikas?
Yeah,
Well, it's a pleasure to meet you, Vikas, and my name is Freya. And what would you like to practice today?
yeah, just a simple conversation.
Oh, absolutely. And let's begin with your interest. What do you like to do for fun?
Time I love watching movies and listening song.
Oh, okay. So that's great. Listening to music.
Yeah,
It's better to say it that way. So let's start with movies. What was the latest movie that you've seen?
the Indian movie name is Pushpa.
Okay, the latest movie.
Yeah,
Okay, so the latest movie, I'd like you to tell me the summary of it.
the story about a poor boy who start stealing sandal trees and he become a thief.
Okay, he became a thief. Okay, and the resolution, what was the conclusion?
The story is not end. The second part will coming soon.
Oh, okay, so the whole movie just begins when he was poor and then he became a thief. That's it.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, that's interesting. And next, you mentioned you like to listen to music. So what types of music are you into?
Yeah, romantic music.
Romantic music. Okay. And then lastly, you mentioned you enjoy cricket.
Yeah,
So do you only watch cricket or do you play cricket?
yeah. I watch cricket. I play cricket.
Oh, great. So would you say that you're a good cricket player?
Not very good, but I play.
Well, that's good because it is a good workout overall.
Yeah,
All right. Well, it was good that you managed to express yourself well.
yeah.
Unfortunately, I have to go because I have a reservation. It was nice to meet you, Vikas.
Nice to meet you too.
See ya.
Bye.